Oh, goodness gracious, did you hear that? That was a baboon. Baboons. Baboons. The baboon. The baboons. The baboons. They're cool, guys. I like baboons. I'm very happy baboons exist. They're kind of like nature's comedy to me. They're just hilarious things. They're a freaking nuisance though. You don't leave your food lying around. You don't leave your windows open. Baboons steal your stuff. They're gangster. They're gangster like that, but they're still cool. These baboons were sneaking down behind me now. Over here. I swear they were trying to sneakily grab my bag. You see, they know they've been caught out. You cheeky bastards. Here's one. You can see a whole bunch, but they're in the shadows. Hello, baboons. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yes, see you. Have a good time, hey? Have a good time. My food's in there. Mustn't keep your eye off the food when you're looking at baboons. Yeah, so a little bit earlier, I was chilling right here in this spot. And then I checked, there were some baboons right behind me, coming down this cliff, wanting to come and steal my food. Definitely. As soon as I turned around, they're like, oh, sure, we're not doing anything, we're just going this way. They were after my food. I caught them. It was great. The baboons were just there. I was just here. They were there. They wanted my food and they didn't get it. Okay, we're flying down the mountain now. Alright, so this is exciting. We've spotted the baboons right in our path. They're right in our way. How are you doing there? Are you having a good day? Hey? Do you want to be my best buddy? Oh look, there's baboons right here. Hello. Hi. Hi. My name is Peter and I am a fan. Truly I am. Look at your bottom, it's disgusting. Yes. Check, that one's enjoying the sun there. He's like, yeah. Only this thing had a zoom, hey? Show you how disgusting their bums look.